This is not scary. This is letting the plants do their job. For a lot of the plants here, we just let them decide where they're happy and try to nurture them that way. My name is Kimberly, and I am in the backyard of my mother's house in the Hunters Park neighborhood of Duluth. In 2014, when we purchased the house, the backyard here was pretty much all snow on the mountain, with a few suffering hydrangeas. So we decided we wanted to make most of the yard, so we went to work. We love it when the lupin are in full bloom, and the iris, and the forget-me-nots, and if there's a weed here and there, we try not to let it bug us. We just let it be. Most of our iris we pick up from friends. Actually, one very prolific variety came from central Minnesota, and I don't know its origins or its type, but it's a light peach dwarf iris that loves it in Duluth. And in fact, I've shared it with so many people that if you go around town, you will see it in other people's gardens. When my mother first moved in, this was, a regular yard. We gave it a little structure. And it really was 6 years of trial and error to get to this place. And I still feel like we're working trial and error to see what looks nice together, and also so that we have variety throughout from the early spring to the fall and even winter. I am not afraid to move things, and I've been accused of being a serial mover of plants. It was a dream of my mother's to have a climbing hydrangea up her chimney. And I know that they tend to be slow growers, and they can be a little bit picky. It turns out that this hydrangea loves the northern exposure. Gardening is many things for us. It's that sense of community and the wonder of watching it go from snow on the mountain to flowers that we've nurtured and loved and cared for, and now they're paying us back with their beauty.